So how we can enable manual bank statement uploads or enable bank feeds. So when we go to your bank section, we can activate bank feeds by clicking on activate, and here is an option. We can activate a manual upload, so we can download bank statements in CSV and then we can upload and then check and confirm transactions, or we can allow automatic bank feeds where all transactions would be transferred from our bank account into KashFlow accounting software. When select this option, we can select a CSV file and click upload. But there is a particular format how this bank statement should look like, and click on the knowledge base article and look at CSV formatting requirements, so that layout of CSV file can match with what we are uploading. So for example, mine is just a raw CSV file, and when I try to upload it, it says that there is missing headers, mandatory headers are missing, so it cannot be uploaded. But when we click on knowledge base, they provide KashFlow provides details how bank feed CSV format should look like. So that's when we enable what I meant is how we can enable manually uploading bank statements on KashFlow. If we decide to activate a bank feed, open bank feed, and then we are happy with this information, who would be collecting our data, and as a third party, in this case they've got Safe Connect Limited, and once you're happy, click continue, select your bank, there is a big choice, and connect to your particular bank and enable automatic bank feeds.